Hey guys, I just checked the mail and received the part that fixes the problems with the electric XPeak. Yeah, I already sent it back. So now I'm trying to find out if I can send this back. I think I can. Yeah, it does say on Amazon, it does say free return, so I should be able to return this and get a full refund here. Here's the deal. I'm kind of burnt about this. Gary over at Gary's eBike Adventures found a solution to electric's wobble problem. And he found it, he bought it with his own money, $116.99 for this thing. He tested it out on his step over, it completely eliminated the wobble. He reached out to Electric and, hey, you know what? I found a solution to the problem. And they basically didn't want to hear it. They didn't give him any credit at all for finding the solution. He made a video, and I talked about it in a video. We got some information out there on Facebook and a couple other places just to try to spread the word around. Hey, this can fix your problem. Other people had went out and started buying these things and started installing them, and they said, yep, it fixes the problem on my my step over. And so it's solving the problem for some people who really wanted to keep their bikes, right? They just really wanted to make them safe. So you would think a company would say, hey, wow, thanks for coming up with a solution to help our customers, because we're not helping our customers. We're telling them to remove the baskets, and or we're giving them the option to return the bike completely. He's not only doing a good service to the customers who purchased the bike that wants to keep it, he's doing a service to Electric, because now Electric is not going to receive all the bikes that they should probably get returned because they're unsafe, because some people are opting to keep their bikes because they can fix the problem for $100. And so far, they haven't even acknowledged that. I don't know if Electric is going to reimburse you $100 for this part right here. They should, right? If they're willing to give you a bunch of free accessories and other things, because it's not really costing them anything, to try to appease all those folks, that's fine. That's one thing. But you know what? They should be buying everybody this part right here. It's an aftermarket part, but you know what? Their bike is screwed up, and if this is what fixes it, they should embrace that and buy these for their customers and send them out for those people who are having problems with the wobble. But so far, as of this date, they haven't even acknowledged Gary's solution and his fix and his efforts to find a solution to the problem. So I don't know. I think he's sending his bike back too. That's what it kind of sounds like. I think he's going to send his bike back too. If I hadn't made the decision yet to already send it back, I would, just because, just because. But I made that decision to send it back for a couple of other reasons. Not that one. I'd already made the decision. But I decided after I ordered the part, so now I have the part and I need to send it back too because I don't need it anymore. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Such a, Electric is great for their customer service for the most part. And, people are they'll fall all over their customers for the most part to take care of little issues and problems and stuff. But why they haven't acknowledged this as a problem, and why they haven't acknowledged this as a solution to their problem. And he's mentioned Gary and say, hey Gary, thanks. Just kind of burns my biscuits a little bit. Gary deserves a lot more credit than what he gets. And his channel is small, okay? He's a small time, so people don't know him very much because his channel's small. Growing, but small. And he deserves a lot more credit for the man that he is and the channel that he has and the solutions he provides people. So big shout out to you, Gary. Proud to call you my friend. Glad we communicate on a daily basis. It means a lot to me. Guys, I encourage you to go over there and check out Gary's channel and subscribe to his channel. He's got a lot of good content out there. He's up and coming. His channel's growing. Grow with him, okay? Because he deserves it. That's going to be it for this video. You guys ride responsibly, ride safe.